Every day, consumers across Europe buy products that they assume are safe and will protect them from COVID-19. How do you choose the right COVID-19 personal protective products? Check for the CE label when buying protective gloves, face masks and hand cleaners. The CE label is a sign that these products meet the EU standards for safety. If the box does not have a CE mark, beware of buying the product. Only select face masks that have a good fit to your face. Choose alcohol-based hand cleaners and disinfectants that contain at least 70% alcohol. Be suspicious if the label does not bear any instructions for safe use or any warnings. Check the label when buying protective gloves to ensure they have all necessary information related to shelf life and contain the manufacturer's details. These products were tested as part of an EU-wide project organised by the European Commission. Products found not to respect the health and safety requirements according to the tests were taken off the market. For more information on the testing process and the results, please check the CASP website.